So hi, back again, we start. So we have to do here stone, so add mesh cube, scale down, scale set, rotate Y, grab it, rotate Y again, get here axis normal and bring that to fit with. And you see we have here the trouble, so Control R, make a loop in, get back to global axis, get to vert selection, scale set 0, then we take that complete thing, Shift D, first I go back. Normal way to do such is here an edge slide, so search edge slide and bring it to a quarter, as a quarter. Now we cut through with a knife from there to there, and that we delete. Then the same on the back side there, knife. From there to there, cut through with space, delete the words, close with F. So we have 45 degrees cut there. So we will mark that seam all and then delete here that mark seam that we don't need here. So why isn't that okay? Good. Then we apply the rotation scale of it and unwrap that. Then we give them the same stone material as that is house 5. Oh no, we want to take that stone 2. So we take here stone 2 and that's it. Then we simply apply the rotation scale, Shift D, copy that, and object mirror, interactive mirror. Bring it near to, rotate Y a little, so we have done that. We can take one of them and plug them here on the side too, so Shift D, rotate set 90 and bring it here on the side, rotate X, grab to position, make that longer so we can get here normal axis. Okay, that is enough. We can go near to. And then object apply rotation scale, Shift D, copy that, object mirror, interactive mirror. Done. Good. So we have done that too. This can be more come out so we don't see that through. File, save. Now we have to bring that here on the back side of the house. So rotate set 180 degrees. It should come there. Must be bigger. Think that can be it. Must look at the original short. It is under this window, yeah. So that is okay. We now need here a railing. So we make here one. It's simply that here. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale X, scale down, scale X, Shift D, rotate Y 90, and scale X. We go back to global axis scale set. And scale set again. Shift D, place one in the middle. Shift D, place one at the end. Copy that top one, Shift D, but make him smaller. So scale and scale X again. Scale again. Scale X again. Then Shift D 2 times. So that should be our railing. So we can select them all. And join that together as one. Good. Then we all mark seam it. And say here object apply rotation scale and unwrap that. Good. File save. We bring that till the stair. So that should come there maybe, but we see then we have to go much in the wider, so it must be there, and that should be longer than. So what we do is we take that here and bring it till there. So we go here a little bit in the back. And then we make here more than one of the steps there. So Shift D and Shift D. Done. Good. So we have changed it. So object, apply rotation scale and new unwrap. Good. File, save. Then we need here a wall comes down with a door in. And we see it here. Here comes the wall, and then comes here a door, and then that goes straight up there. That is this part here. This wall is nothing special. We can take the wall that we have there. No, that's another one. So okay, we make here a new wall, add mesh cube, scale down. Scale set. And they should be higher, so scale set again. And scale Y. And scale in the hole, I think. That can be it. Scale Y. And scale set. Yeah, that can be it. A little bit smaller maybe. Good. We make here a metal loop in. to get that middle part a little higher, such like that, and we make here a loop in to separate that from the rest. So scale set 0. Good. Okay, then we have to unwrap that all. So mark seam all. And we unwrap that, but we don't need that. Here, that. We don't need to unwrap. So clear seam and you unwrap. Before we have to apply rotation scale, you unwrap. We take this stone material, house 6 called maybe, house 5. So we have that is the wall. Bring it there a little bit into, okay. So you saw that we have here a door in, so Shift D, and this part is bigger than the other. So that means we can take here the down faces.
And bring them more down. And make there a hole for the door.
So we take 2 loops, scale Y. And here loop again to get the top of the door. Then we delete here these 2, 3 down edges there, then it's open. Now we can close here with F and there with F and there with F2. Then we get only one of them, Shift D, place it in the middle, extrude and bring it to the side, that is the door itself. Good, we have to set there the mark seams too. So we must go ready that we have all there. Good, mark seam and complete new unwrap. So we have to change here the door, sure. So must look how the door looks. Old wooden gray door. So you can get it from textures.com. Wooden gray old door, wooden gray old door. That can be it. So we copy that and bring that to our texture folder. So that's there. Now we get that door in there. That means we take that face there, file, save as, we take 10 here, and I see that lags a little, so I have to move here some way. Move to second layer, move that to second layer, this round stuff there, move to second layer, then the windows itself to second layer. So the window we move to the second layer, but we have also, that's all, but it's 62,000. That is real much. That has only 400. What has this much count there? This one? 22,000. That is much. So we try X and limit dissolve. Then we get it with 8,900 and it looks also like that. Maybe not as good as before. But for me it's okay. So again, X dissolve, limit dissolve. You can change here how much should that limit it. Then you have the chance to get that better or less bad. There's no option to have there such much words there. That is too bad stuff. But it looks then very awful. Okay, I go back. Then we have only the chance to make here instances of that. So that means we move that to the third layer. We go to the third layer. We say set origin to geometry. We press Shift C to get the 3D cursor in the middle, Alt G to bring that in the middle, then Control G to give a group name, call it create window or big window. Window. Go back to first layer. What is that there? Don't know. X delete. Then we can plug it here in, add group instance big window. And so we only have the window but not the words from the window. That is the trick by this instances. So we can make that here a little smaller. Then we take that here and move that to the third layer too. And the same as before, set origin to geometry. Shift C, Alt G, Control G. We call it little window. Then we go back to first layer and here add group instance little window. Yeah. So we plug it there. And all is fine. Now we have a word count of 28. It's too much, but it's less than before. So sometimes you must look if you have a modifier on some, or that can be a failure for that. Good, we let it file save. So we was by the door there. So we give here plus new door 4 and assign that. Take a principal shader, say it is an image, open up, take our texture folder, get the old wooden door there, and we unwrap that from view bounds. Not from view, that's better, because that isn't cutted. When the picture is only the door, then you can make it with the other door there. Yeah, hard to find, that is it. Okay, scale up. So we have that door in, that is all fine. So we can go on but it shouldn't be that glossy like that is, so we give here high roughness. File, save. So when we look now, we have to go from that door straight up till another point. So we get here this wall, extrude, bring it to here, and that should be then more high to the other place there. We tried. So we go there and maybe there, and that's the way it is. Then come a little bit more there. Good. Then we have changed it, so object, apply rotation scale, and new unwrap. Good. But it can be a little bit smaller here, so we scale that simply. And we can rotate it to be more like that it is straight. Good. We have that all. Now we need the stairs there. File, save. I save it as a new version number. 11. Okay. So when we look here, that are the stairs, and here's our door. So we have here stairs, there stairs, and there stairs. That are 4 or 5, 4, and there 4, so we make 4. And this one are much. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 maybe. So we built up. Add mesh plane. Scale down. Rotate X to 90. Scale set. Scale set again. Then we bring out the top edge there. Extrude. Bring it out. That should be one step of the stair. We can mark that seam and object, apply rotation scale, and you unwrap. It should be that beton material, so we take here beton. Then we need here a modifier and set origin to geometry. An array modifier that isn't in that direction, so we take here 0, we take here 1, and there 1. So we have it there, and we set it is 18 or such. So we look how we come there. That is going to here, and when we look there comes this part, and then part 4, and then the rest. Okay, so we take shorter ones. Yeah, that's good. We take here less, and we take shift D another one from that with the 4 steps there, and look that we come here to this high. That is okay. That should be it. Good. So we simply apply that here, the 4 counted, and bring here that one out. And we look that we are on the same height there. And that we have an unwrap, so we have to maxim new and a new unwrap, and then it should work. Then we go here, extrude till that point, and from here the stairs goes on. So again, mark seam, and you unwrap. Here the wall must go deeper, so we take that and bring that more down. Same as here, you unwrap. Good. So we have that. From here the stairs go straight up till the next house that comes there. There is the other house, and here is the entrance from that, so that goes straight up to there. Good. So we take here these other stairs, and go up there. Now we should make it that it comes there out. So that means when we make that longer there, okay, or we make that higher simply, but only a little, switch like that. Yeah, think that can be good. Only thing I see here, we must later do some file save. So next is, we see here in the back there is some little house there that we built. So add mesh cube, scale down. That should be enough. And we simply take your roof, so we can think short, extrude that one time, and then take the last edge there and bring that up. Good. Then we mark that all seam, and you unwrap that. We take here object, apply rotation scale, and we give them two materials. That first one is this house 5 stone material. Scale that to size that we like. And then we take here this roof stuff there. So we look what we have with roof, top roof. This top roof we make only there for sure. So wrong turned. So we go here and rotate 90 and scale a little down, and I think it's wrong turned. Rotate 180. So that is this part. We have to cut in the door there. That looks really awful. I don't like this houses there, but okay, that's the way it is. So we bring that here more out. So extrude, bring it up, bring it there, bring it everywhere. Yeah. Same here. Extrude, come out, bring there. And we give them this house material too, the stone. And we have to unwrap that all new. Yeah, that here is bad. Oh, we don't have it easy. House. Good, eagle, we'll let it like this. file save. We cut in the door, some half rounded thing there that can be on layer 2. Yeah, we can take that here. So we shift D, make a copy, P to separate the selection, then set the origin to things and move to booms. So to first layer for sure. So then we cut the door in this little house there. Maybe there. Okay. So we apply here rotation scale again. We have that one, and apply here too. The name is it's both over the other. That is bad. Circle 22. So boolean circle 22 should be difference. Apply. Thanks a lot. Move that to second layer. We get here, open up that, and get the door in front. So bring it more there, and we need the door itself. So new door 6, assign, file, save. It should be principal, it should be image. And we take another door. Yeah, we must look. A round wooden stuffed door there. Round wooden stuffed door there. Round wooden stuffed door there. I take that here. Copy. It's from textures.com, you know it. So I copy that here into our texture folder, and then again, like every time, we get the door, and here we need then an unwrap. So we make here from view. And in the image UI editor we can get our door there when we know the name, and then we can see how that looks. So then we can with A select all and scale up, get there, and scale X maybe, no, scale Y. So we have that. Grabbing, that is, for me that's okay. It's not banded, but I don't need it banded. We can try one thing. Scale X 0. Wow. Scale epsilon 0. Yeah. Cool. Good. The door is in. Good. Yeah. We see here the inner part isn't with the stone, so we have to give the here house rough tough tough. So house 5 material, and give them an unwrap and scale that for the size that we need there, and good. So we have done that too. File, save. The roof can be more down, so select that and bring that more down, but we have then to unwrap new. So take all but not the door. Without the door, please. And without the roof. So you unwrap A to select all. There's something going on here. Okay, we have to apply before the rotation scale of it. So we try again. And we see it's the same shit as before. That is very nice. So we take smart UV projection and rotate 90 and scale it down. Good. We have done that. File, save. Good. We place it in the right back there. So that is simply there. Rotate set 90 degrees. Let's look at the size of it and the height of it and all of it. Good, think that can be it. Can be a little bit greater, I think. Good, but that is enough. I must look at the original. And it's directly cut it to the wall. Oh, okay. So it must be there. Yes. And then that all must be shorter, or that must come more there, but then this one must be longer. So we take that one and make that longer and bring it there. Then we have for sure to make a new unwrap, but before we have to apply the rotation scale and then an unwrap and then to scale. Yes. So we have done that. So we need now an bottom there. So top view and add mesh plane, scale down, bring it to the bottom there. But we should make it so here are holes, and that is real. So we give here an loop in to that position and to that position. So we can delete here this bird. So that is open here. And we have to open up it here. That means we have to build here loop 2 and think here too. Then we can delete that edge so that only the railing stands on the bottom there. Yeah, a little bit more back. Good. That is the bottom, but we see that here isn't needed, so we can place it there more in. Good. That one needs an unwrap too for sure. So first we apply the rotation scale of it, then we take all and you unwrap. Here we make from view. Then we take new and say bottom, and say it's a principal shader, we say it is an image, we say open, we say texture folder, we say bottom texture is there, and then give them a high roughness and scale that up. So we have that. Yeah, that looks good. So we have done that. File save. The only thing we have to do, here in the background you see there is a wall coming from the house to the other house, and here's the hole and there's the other hole. And when we look here at the back is a crate wall too. So that means we can take that wall, Shift D, place it there. So, wow, the house is too short. Oh fuck. Yeah, that all must be more there normally, but we let it now. We bring that a little to the front, then we make that longer. So bring it there. That's okay. Then we take the whole wall, Shift D, rotate set 90, and scale them up. Yeah, and that should be normally the same distance to the back of them, so we must make that shorter. So we go here, back, and with them two. So that is good. So we have now only to bring here all in shape. That means we take here that part, bring them more there. Then let's go much deeper. So we take it and make it deeper. Good. And that's okay. So we can make here a new unwrap and scale it down. Good. Same with that wall. Object, apply rotation scale, and you unwrap and scale down. So we have done that wonderful house here. The only thing we have to do is plug here this one, Shift D, rotate set 90, bring it there, and get one edge and bring it to the other there. Wow. So that one should be there, and the other side too. Then we take here that pipe, Shift D, and place it there, but rotate set 90. Yeah. Good. So we've done a lot. That's enough for today. File save. So we see us next time to make the next. Thanks a lot for watching. See you. Bye.